Guys, welcome back to the channel. So it's your girl AI girl once again, and today I'm here with another video. So in this video I'm actually going to show you how you can actually make videos like this with Google AI Veo 3 for free. Yes, for free. So videos like this one, videos which a lot of people are using now for content creation and other purposes. Okay, so all these, so the videos come with sound, okay, but because I'm screen recording, the sound effects are not playing. Okay, so you can see here all these videos were made using this Google Veo 3 and it's for free. Okay, so if you want to know how you can do this for free, you can just stick around to the end of the video and I'm going to show you how you can do it for free, because of course it is a paid thing to do. So if you come here, you can actually get the Google AI Pro for 1 month at no charge. So for the first month it's free, but then after the first month you're going to pay $20 a month after the trial. But here I'm going to show you how you can actually get it for free for a year. Okay, for a year. So the first thing we are going to do is that we need to install a VPN, because this method is actually method for students. Okay, so you can see over here it's free for students. So let's get in, see how we can get it done. Okay, so when you come to Google, you can just check for this VPN. It's on the Chrome Web Store, Urban VPN, and then just click Urban VPN and then just add to your Chrome. Okay, add the extension to your Chrome. You can use any other VPN if you want. There are paid VPNs. This is actually a free one. Okay, this is a free one because everything here is free. Okay, so now after you get your VPN installed, you want to put it here. You want to come to extensions, come to the settings. If you find it here, yes, it's here, then you can pin it. Okay, so you want to pin the extension over here and then you click on it here like this to see, and then set it up. Okay, so click on agree. It's not connected, so we're going to select a country, let's say United States, and then let's connect it. Good, so this is connected. But before we do anything, we need to, because this service is actually not available in all countries. Okay, it's not available in all countries. That's why you need to use a VPN to get access to it. So that's why we are using the VPN to get access to it. So now after getting the VPN, you want to come here and then check your IP. We just want to be sure that it's connected to the VPN before we do anything. Okay, so that we don't get blocked. So over here you can see the IP location.i, or you can use this one. It's what I usually use. Okay, and then we want to be sure that it is picking or is detecting that we are we have our VPN connected and it's connected to the United States. Okay, so as I was saying, the offer is actually for students. Okay, this is a student offer, and then you can get Veo 3 to generate videos for free for almost a year. Okay, almost a year. So this is a student offer, even though it does not require you to put in your student ID or student email. Nothing. There's no verification, but I want you to be aware that it is actually for students.
A few moments later.
Then you just have to come here to Google AI Pro. Okay, and then you click this one. Okay, so over here you can see over here that it says $0 for 1 month and 19.99 the month after. Okay, mind you, you get 2 terabytes of storage, 2 terabytes of storage for free. That is really a good offer. Okay, so now let's look at how you can actually get your account set up for the Pro. Okay, so now we are going to go to this website with one.google.com/join/AI-students. Okay, so this is the website you're going to use, and then you go to it, one.google.com/join/AI-student. Okay, so over here you can see here, student get Gemini Pro and more for free through finals 2026. So you can actually get this for 15 months here. I think it's 15 months, so $0 through to June 30th. Or is it 12 months? Yes, I think it's 12 months. So from now to next year, 2026. Okay, so then you click on get student offer. Get student offer. And boom, you can see over here that my account now is Pro. Okay, so Pro. Now let's look at what we get with the Pro version. So once you come to settings and help over here, and then you come to manage subscription, you can see over here that we get 2 terabytes storage for free. Okay, 2 terabytes storage for free, 2 terabytes of storage. Now if you come over here, you can see over here that the current plan that I am on now is the Google AI Pro. Okay, the Google AI Pro, that is what we have here for free. Okay, now let's go to the workspace where we can actually start making the videos, since we now have the Pro version. Okay, there's not a free version, there's a Google AI Pro. Okay, so now we're going to go to Flow, Google AI Flow. Just search Google AI Flow, and then you click on it over here, because now we have the Google AI Pro. So it's going to open a page like this, and then you click create with Flow. Okay, so you can see over here that to be able to use Flow, it requires Google AI subscription. Okay, which we have just done now. So you just click create Flow, which I've just done now. So we now have a subscription with the student subscription. So you have to sign in with that email that you did. Okay, so you sign in with that email, then you can get that. Okay, then this part, so you just have to accept, and then click get started. Okay, so once you click, I think I have a network glitch over here. So once you click on get started, especially right after you click I'd like to do this, I'd like to do that, then you just click get started. So this is where you will land. So you have a workspace like this with your account and then the Pro here, and then you can basically type in any command, generate a video, this or that. Okay, just put any command, and then generates a video of a, let's say, of a singing cat. Okay, of a singing cat. Then over here you click here to the settings, and then the model, don't use VO2, that's the older version. VO3 so we are using. Okay, click on that one, and then your outputs, if you want 2, 3, 4, how many outputs you want. but mind you, the more outputs you use, the more your credit will go. Okay, so and then you just click VO3 and then you just hit send. Okay, so once you hit send, it's going to generate the video for you. Okay, it's going to generate the videos for you. You don't want to go through it because it takes about a minute or two for the generation to complete. Okay, so basically that is it. So try it and let me know in the comment section how you're going to use these videos, what you're going to use it for, and I believe that is going to help you. So this is free. Okay, this is free for students, and then that is it. So I'll see you in my next video, and thank you for watching.